Are the fills you're trying to learn too complicated? Probably yes. So here's a slightly simpler one that you can make sound really good. Kind of sounds like the beginning of Man Down Under, like the travelling in a fighter combi. But all it is a flam, then a kick. If you don't know what a flam is, put one stick all the way up and the other halfway up and drop them at the same time. So you're going to go flam, kick, toms, both of them together, and then kick. So you get. That's 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. Come back to the snare drum for 3 and, which is right left. And then the fun bit, 4 and This figure by itself is ridiculously useful. Get good at it. That's right, left, 4 and up. All together, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and up. 2 more things. If you don't have a crash to your right hand side, where when you've gone around the kit you can hit one just over here, then try right, left, right at the end, because then you've got your left hand free to hit a crash on 1. Might just flow a little bit better, or not. Give them both a try and let me know what you think. Big love.